let's have a look on how to add an alternative building. So let's say I have made a building in BIM Energy and I want to make a change and then compare it with the original one. Then I click Create Alternative. The idea is now that I copy this original building and make changes on the alternative one. So I give it a name and then I decide if I want to create new catalog data for typology, activity, and ventilation. This means if I want to make changes on some of these points, I will have the possibility to create a new typology, for example, and that is not the same as the original building. So let's say I want to have a new typology and I will have the same activities, so I unclick that one. And the ventilation, I want to be able to change that as well. I create my alternative. And now I'm going to show how this looks for typology and activity and ventilation. The typology is in the construction phase. So now we can see that a new typology is created that has the same name as my alternative building. This typology is now a copy of the one I had before, but when I make changes in this typology, it will not make changes on my original building, only in my alternative building. And it's the same for ventilation. There I also click that I want a new alternative ventilation. And the changes I made here will only affect that alternative ventilation. In the usage step, there we have the activity, and as you can see, the name is the same as the original. So here we didn't make any change. We didn't add an alternative usage. So that's how you create an alternative.